Stay tuned for this quick transformation. What is up, my Glam family? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload another video. And for my all-time baddies, my glam babes, hey girl. Okay, so as y'all see, this is going to be a quick get ready with me, hair and a little makeup. So yeah, as y'all see, I'm using the Ebon lace spray, the black can. Y'all see me putting this relaying this. I can't talk for some reason. Anyways, I am using this lace spray and I am reapplying my wig because it is hot right now in Florida, and y'all should already know by now when it's hot outside that lace be coming up, so it be time to reapply. Now we're on the face. I used Covergirl to conceal under my brows. I didn't fill them in with anything. I just shaped them up a little bit, and I don't believe I used anything on the top of my brows. I think I just concealed the bottom. So yeah. And I just want to say that you don't have to fill in your brows all the time. So now moving on to face, I'm using the e.l.f. poreless face primer, and I'm just applying this all over my face just to cancel out any oiliness and give my face a smooth canvas, even though my skin is already tea. So I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and this is in 335. And I love Maybelline's foundation. Like, I swear you can mix this with any foundation, but this right here is my summer shade. And yeah, it just works perfectly. And it is buildable, so you don't always have to put on a lot of foundation with them. It's like full coverage, but it's like buildable, if you catch what I'm saying. I don't know if I explained that right, but y'all get the picture. Next, I'm using the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in G Medium 3. And like I always say, I will put everything that I used in the description box below. That way you guys can go ahead and, you know, purchase those products. I don't get any money for it. So yeah, just go ahead and try them out and let me know how y'all like these products that I am using. You can mostly find them at Ulta and your local drugstore like CVS, Walgreens, depending on your state. I know there's Rite Aid, Walgreens. I can't think of any other ones, but yeah, any local drugstore or Sephora, Target, but mainly Ulta and a drugstore. But yeah, so yeah, this was just a quick get ready with me because we were going to the movies, so I had to get a little quick beat on going on. Y'all already know that I like to go in with my Airspun loose face powder, and this is translucent. So I like to go in with this and just set under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead area. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation, and I believe this is in the shade Hazelnut, or no, I think it's Coconut. Yeah, I think the shade is Coconut. So like I said, it'll be in the description box for sure. So if I get it wrong, then it'll be down there for sure, the correct item. So yeah, I'm just taking this and setting my foundation. Never go wrong with blush. Don't be afraid to apply that blush, girl. I use the NYX pencil in brown, and this is Milky Gloss, and then I go in with the Milani Make It Last face spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and stay tuned for another video.